Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to draw a sexy lips seducing for ladies. Well, after drawing everything's in your pencil of HB, then you can start filling up with layups, putting all those lines just before you start blending it out, and try to add some more layup in that and make it more focused so that you can start filling up the light. You do the same all over, putting up with the different layups and using your carton pencil to blur up everything so that you can be able to start now putting up the lightening up. So with that in mind, you continue doing the same thing all over and over. The thing, if you want to get your drawing to look more realistic, you need to take as much time as you can in order for you to get exactly what you want and be able to fill up every single details that comes in your mind if it is a drawing that you are drawing by yourself, or if it is a drawing that you are trying to copy from a picture or something else. Please focus on the picture that you are copying and try to print out everything that you've been seeing in that picture and put it on your drawing. That is how it's gonna come along. So far with this drawing, if you look very well, the lips are coming along because I took all the necessary time, try to fill up all the layout in dark and white, and all the necessary lines, all those small details, they really do count in the drawing side. So still doing the same. At the same time, the drawing is coming up along because I have to marry all the layup together. They have to get matched. If you look on the part of the tooth, I have to make it even more realistic to separate the dark line between the tooth and lips. Put a little bit of more shadows in this part so that it will show that actually it is not on the lips but there are also teeth behind it, inside the lips, which makes your lips look even more realistic. And the down tongue is being the one that she's biting it, trying to make it sexy, and you need to fill up all the details in order for you to get it look that sexy. If you don't put up all these small details, and then you won't be able to get the drawing as you need. To make it more look interesting, you need to add the nose and try to blur up and touch up a little bit of small line at the end in the inches, and inside make it a bit more darker so that it can look like a real human being. Thank you.